Welcome or welcome back to my archive, where I document highlights of my life through my camera. So fasten your seatbelt and come along. Today's plan is to visit my friend, so I got her some flour. Oh, sorry, wrong flour. This is the flour I got her. So she made me gobi Manchurian. It was really delicious, guys. I didn't vlog too much because I went there to spend some time with her. But in the morning, it was so beautiful. It was really cold. So the fog in the morning created these little patches which look so beautiful. She also has a dog and his name is Appu. Let's say hi to him. Hi. It was at that moment we knew we messed up. My friend baked vanilla cake and we put that on the stove and went for a walk and totally forgot that there is a cake on the stove. So by the time we got home, the base of the cake was burnt. But it was really delicious, so I think it's fine. Hi everyone. Hello guys. Hi guys. I was talking to my friend in the afternoon and I was whining, complaining, and then I was like, I was bored. They told me to get yourself together and get out of the house. You need fresh air. So I did that. So I came here to get a pizza and then do some shopping. I got a golden corn medium sized pizza. And now we have some shopping to do. Let's go. Okay guys, that's all for this week. Thank you for coming with me and watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.